We had a signal yesterday to go short again on the Euro USD sometime around 4 o'clock when the ITM Financial picked up a consolidation of the downward trend occurring, a brief consolidation. This is a 30-minute interval chart. The trend being downwards, ITM Financial investigated the consolidation that took place here, and the consensus within the system was that the trend would continue its path of going downwards. Consolidations usually occur when the price is agreed to by more or less all buyers and sellers, and usually happens at a time of day that coincides with low volatility. So when the major markets like London and New York and Tokyo, when they're not operating, or when at least two of them are not operating, prices usually reach these consolidation levels, and that's when volatility is at its lowest. But the whole nature of this trend is such that it would continue in its direction, which is downwards, and this is also validated by what's going on in the Eurozone at the moment. All the fundamentals, the news and everything points in this direction for the trend to be going down. The price we were asked to open at was 1.3628, and the price we are at right now is 1.35451. This was a sell order. ITM provided us with a signal to sell short around the 1.36248 mark that we immediately jumped on, and as you can see, the trend this morning has indeed gone down in the direction that ITM predicted it to be, and we are up $80, around $80 in profit so far.